Hello friends, our today's topic is mole concept. So, how the mole concept was introduced? Different types of things are measured in different units. For example, for measuring stationary items or bananas, we take use of a unit, dozen. What do you mean by 1 dozen? Yes, 12 pieces or 12 entities. Okay. For measuring microscopic particles like atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, scientists try to make a smaller unit, and for that they introduced a concept of mole. So what is 1 mole substance? Initially 1 mole substance was defined as the number of particles or entities. That entities may be atoms, molecules or ions. Number of entities present in 1 gram of hydrogen, or number of entities present in 16 gram oxygen, or number of entities present in 12 gram carbon 12 isotope. Okay, all these found to be equal to, let us check, number of atoms in 1 gram hydrogen. 1 gram hydrogen equal to 1 gram upon mass of 1 hydrogen atom. Mass of 1 hydrogen atom. 1 upon mass of 1 hydrogen atom. 1 hydrogen atom contains only 1 proton. Mass of electron is negligible. Mass of proton is 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Hydrogen atom contains 1 proton and 1 electron. Mass of electron is negligible and mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So, the mass of 1 hydrogen atom is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, or mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1 U or 1 AMU. Atomic mass unit, or U means unified number. Okay, and 1 U or 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So the mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1 gram upon 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. 10 to the power minus 24 becomes 10 to the power plus 24. Okay, and the reciprocal of 1.6 in 6. Check in your log table. The reciprocal of 1.6 in 6. It is found to be 0.6023. Reciprocal of 4 figure number. Check the log of 1.6 into 6. 6024. And that log is found to be 6024. By adjusting the power, this number will 6.024 into 10 to the power 23. It is exactly found to be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is the number of hydrogen atoms present in 1 gram of hydrogen. Okay. This is 6.024 into 10 to the power 23, and the exact value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This value is called as Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. Okay. So number of atoms present in 1 gram of hydrogen is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Similarly, if you find the number of atoms in 16 gram of oxygen, 16 gram of oxygen. So 16 gram oxygen, here it is, it will become 16 gram upon mass of 1 oxygen atom. Mass of 1 oxygen atom, which is found to be 16 AMU. And 16 AMU is converted to gram by multiplying it with 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. What is the value of 1 AMU? 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. Here we are calculating the number of atoms in 16 gram of oxygen. Here I put 16 upon mass of 1 oxygen atom. We will get the number of oxygen atoms present in 16 gram of oxygen. Okay. Now 16 AMU is the mass of 1 oxygen atom. Okay. And this mass is converted into gram by multiplying it with, see, 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. 16 AMU is equal to 16 into 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. 16 get cancelled, and finally the answer will be same, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which is equal to Avogadro's number. Okay. Now we will calculate number of entities or number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Number of atoms in 12 gram, yes, carbon 12 isotope. Here I will take 12 gram mass of 1 C12 isotope, and it is found to be 12 AMU. How many? 12 AMU. Here it is 12 gram, and that 12 AMU is converted into, yes, gram by multiplying it with 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24. That 12 get cancelled. The reciprocal of 1.66 is 0.6024 into 10 to the power 24. That will become 6.024 into 10 to the power 23. Finally, the exact value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, found to be equal to Avogadro's number. Okay. In all three cases, we get the same number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, with some error. Okay. But scientists select carbon 12 isotope as a standard for finding the value of 1 mole substance, because hydrogen is gas, oxygen is also gas, and carbon is solid. So scientists take carbon as a standard because it lies between hydrogen and oxygen. It lies between hydrogen and oxygen, and it is solid in state. So the standard for finding the value of 1 mole substance or the number of particles present in 1 mole substance will be carbon 12 isotope. Okay. Hydrogen may be taken as a standard, oxygen also may be taken as a standard, but scientists select carbon 12 isotope as a standard for finding the value of 1 mole substance, because carbon is solid in state and it lies between hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. In this way, the value of Avogadro's number was found. Okay. And now the question arises that what is 1 mole substance? So 1 mole substance is the number of entities present in 1 gram of hydrogen, but that standard was neglected. Number of entities present in 16 gram of oxygen, also that standard was neglected. And finally, the standard becomes, yeah, number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. Okay, and that is found to be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 from this discussion, and this is called as Avogadro's number. Okay. Now from this value we will form we will get a new formula. Suppose I want to calculate 5 bananas. I want to calculate a dozen unit for 5 bananas. Then how I will calculate it? Just 5 upon 12. Okay. For calculating number of mole, I will use total number of particles or entities, or total number of entities divided by Avogadro's number, because one mole substance is equal to Avogadro's number. Again, look. What is one mole substance? One mole substance is defined as the number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope, or the number of entities. Atom is replaced by entities. That entities means atom. Maybe molecule, maybe ion, maybe electron, maybe microscopic particle. Okay. Now, one mole substance is equal to number of entities. And that entities are maybe atoms or molecules or ions or electrons or microscopic particles. Okay. So number of mole will be calculated as given number of entities divided by Avogadro's number. For example, if I have to calculate number of moles for 1.555 into 10 to the power 22 electrons. I have to calculate the number of moles for 1.555 to 10 to the power 22 electrons. Then, according to our formula, number of moles will be equal to, yes, given number of entities. How many entities are given? 1.555 into 10 to the power 22 electrons upon Avogadro's number, and that Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Now 1.555, 6.022 is divisible by 1.555 by the factor of 4. Okay, it will become 1 by 4. It will become 1 by 4, and this 10 to the power 22 will cancel 10 to the power 1, which will be 10 to the power minus 1 in the numerator. Okay, 1 by 4 is 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 1. So finally it will become 0.025 mole electron. Okay. So this is all about the one mole substance. How the different standards are used by scientists: hydrogen, oxygen and carbon. But they select carbon-12 as a standard for finding the value of one mole substance, because carbon is solid in state and it lies between hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, and the value of one mole substance is found to be the number of entities that are present in 12 gram of C12 isotope, which is found to be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which is called as Avogadro's number. And the number of mole formula will become given number of entities upon Avogadro's number. We will discuss some numericals for this formula in our next lecture. Okay friends, thank you.
कुठपर्यंत गेला असेल